stage is 25.0
I'm
feet.
sorry I was late.
Minor flooding is forecast.
And I'm sorry I'm filming like this, but I was too
The river
fast.
is expected to rise
Holy
above
crap.
flood stage tomorrow morning and continue rising to a crest of 34.3 feet Monday morning. Impact at 35.0 feet. Flood waters will reach the home of the Lockmaster. Flood waters may begin to affect Owen Hill Road near Bakers Creek. Dozens of buildings may be isolated or flooded along the river, both upstream and downstream of Elizabethtown.
I was late!
However, most of are in areas between Owen Hill Road and the river, as well as North Carolina Route 53 and the river west of United States Route 701.
Oh my god. Oh, doubleheader! Doubleheader! Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the northeast KHB River near Bergdahl from Friday evening until further notice. At 9:30 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 3.6 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow evening and continue rising to a crest of 14.3 feet early Sunday afternoon. Impact at 14.0 feet. Flood waters cause portions of Shaw Highway to be closed between Carl Beach Road and Livington Lane.
Damn it.
White Stocking Road until further notice. At 9:30 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 3.6
Yes, we got it on 980.
Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow evening and continue rising to a crest of 14.3 feet.
We got it on
early Sunday
980 a.m.
Impact at 14.0 feet. Flood waters cause portions of Shaw Highway to be closed between Carl Meets Road and Livington Lane. White Stocking Road is also closed from Corley Road
This is
to McWilliams
WAAV
Lane.
980.
Flooding worsens on highways 200, 10, and 53, but roads remain open. Impact at 55.0 feet. Extensive lowland flooding will occur along the river. With licensed sales agent Paula Lee, call 910-612-88.
Got it.